In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create beautiful gradient backgrounds in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to give your website a modern and visually appealing touch, making it stand out with vibrant color schemes. Let's dive into the process and make your site look amazing. First, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace website and access the editor. You can do this by logging into your Squarespace account and navigating to the specific site you'd like to edit. Once you're there, you'll see the option to edit your site header. Click on Edit Site Header to start customizing the visuals of your website. Next, you'll find the Edit Design button. Clicking on this will take you into the customization settings where you can manipulate various elements of your site's appearance. This is where you begin to lay the groundwork for adding a gradient background. Once inside the design settings, locate the Color option. This section allows you to tweak the color palettes of all the different elements on your page. Colors play a crucial role in setting the mood and tone of your website, so you'll want to choose something that represents your brand appropriately. After clicking on Color, find the arrow pointing down, which will give you further options. This expands additional customization tools, one of which includes the selection for backgrounds. Click to open this menu. Here you will see an option called Gradient. Selecting this option enables a gradient effect for your site's background, replacing any solid color or image currently in use. You'll find that gradients can add depth and dimension to your design by blending multiple colors seamlessly. Next, click on Background Color. This is where you truly get to personalize your site's gradient effect. You can select your primary and secondary colors to create the gradient. These choices can drastically affect the overall feel of your website, so think about the emotion you want to convey to your audience. Do you want it to be energetic, soothing, or perhaps professional? Your color choices will be key. Beyond choosing colors, it's also important to set the opacity of your gradient. Opacity determines how much of the background is visible versus how much the gradient stands out. Adjusting this setting can help you achieve the perfect balance, whether you want a bold, striking look or something a little subtler. Once you're happy with your gradient design, remember one crucial final step. Click Save. This action ensures that all your hard work and creativity are stored and applied to your website. Now, whenever visitors land on your site, they'll be greeted with your beautifully crafted gradient background. And there you have it. You've successfully created a gradient background in Squarespace. With just a few clicks, your website is transformed, and it now boasts an attractive, modern design. Try experimenting with different color combinations until you find the perfect one that resonates with your brand and message. Happy designing!